Hey everyone. So I'm just going to show you a really cool way to improve your website portfolio and make it stand out a little bit more for potential clients, potential partners, potential recruiters, just using AI to make your app look a little bit better. So what I did was I asked to build a little kind of hero component with my name and a little bit of code themed information about me. And what I did was I also asked to be able to allow it to flip. So it could flip and see an image of me and also go back to the information. Another thing that this component can do, which is not everybody will notice this, but it is a very cool little feature, is the ability to kind of break it out of its position. And if you see, it's just fixed in place. But when you drag it off, it then becomes fixed on the website and you can still flip it. And so this is not it's not super different. It doesn't change too much about the website, but it's just a cool way to make your portfolio stand out. And so I'm going to go a little bit to the prompt that made this possible. And basically, what you want to do when you're building the prompt is get AI to write the prompt out for you. So you put in initially what you want to build, but then it's ultimately a back and forth between you and any AI language model that you're working with. And so what we have is a very detailed 5-step process or 6 steps into how it's being built. You can see that it's using Framer Motion for all of the movement of the component and the flipping. It also goes into the responsive behavior with clicking, interactive features, the design of it. So I'm going to put this all in the comments. Another really good way to improve your portfolio website is to look at this really cool website called Godly. And basically you could see any kind of website you're trying to search for. And you find exactly the one that really stands out to you. And you just click on it. For example, this one looks like it has some components. There's also a specific portfolio type. And so these are all portfolios built by different people, and they're very, very good. So I would definitely check out godly.website. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will just go quickly in as well into the actual component. So you can see here that you can just paste the prompt into here, and it will build the component for you. And basically what that component is doing is it's being called in our homepage. If you just search Flipkart, it's here, it's being imported and it's being used in the website. So it's as easy as that. Whatever you're inspired by, you can just go to a website you like, take a screenshot of it, and then put it into Cursor and with your image here and say, hey, I want to build a component similar to this. There's so many different ways you can improve your website and make it stand out. But yeah, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'd love to see what you built as well, so definitely connect with me. I'll put my contact information in the YouTube description. So yeah, happy building, and yeah, let's connect. Into Cursor and with your image here and say, hey, I want to build a component similar to this. There's so many different ways you can improve your website and make it stand out. But yeah, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I'd love to see what you built as well, so definitely connect with me. I'll put my contact information in the YouTube description. So yeah, happy building,